Once your practice management system is synced to Yobi through Open Dental or Nextel, your AI can see your schedule. And this is where you take control of it. Integration settings. It's how you shape what your agent can schedule and update it yourself anytime you need to. Start with your scheduler URL, your online booking page. A patient picks a time and it drops straight into your practice management system. Put the link on your website or let your AI text it out. Below that, your address and your brand color so the page looks like you. Then your booking restrictions, how far in advance patients can book, your insurance settings, the plans you do and don't accept, and finally, your close days, holidays, and days off, so your agent never offers a time you're not actually open. Next, appointment types. The visits your AI is allowed to book, each with its length. Cleaning, 30 minutes, emergency, 60. Your agent uses these so it books the right kind of slot for the right reason. Then, availabilities. When each provider can actually be seen. Pick a provider, set their hours, and your AI will only ever offer times they're genuinely open. No offering Wednesday if the provider is out Wednesday. And here's the shortcut. Instead of clicking through every tab, you can just ask. Your practice management agent pulls it all up. Your providers and their hours, your appointment types, your operatories, and lets you update your schedule right from here without leaving Yobi for your practice management system. Just ask, show me the current schedule. Set it here, and your AI books straight into your real calendar. The times you're actually open, the visits you offer, no double booking, and no phone tag. And it's all yours to update anytime, right from Yobi.